The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by dherbs.com.
What's up, you guys? It's Vinny with another episode of The Adventures of V-Man. Today, we are doing ice bath therapy followed by infrared sauna. We're here in West Hollywood, Los Angeles at Remedy Place. I am nervous, I'm excited. I can't wait, so let's go check it out, all right? So once we arrived at Remedy Place, we got a tour of the facility, and let me just say, it is incredible. I mean, and they have so many different therapies. Their focus there is to really just get the body as healthy as it can be. And that's why there are so many different therapies to choose from. Now, the therapies that we did kind of go hand in hand with each other. We did breath work with ice bath, followed by an infrared sauna session. For the breathing, you breathe in, out, you hold your breath at the end of a specific breathing exercise. It's a breathing technique that taps into your parasympathetic nervous system. And then you actually alkalize the body and oxygenate your cells a lot better than regular breathing. Now, once you're done, then it's go time. I mean, you're jumping in that ice bath. So the standard is 3 minutes. You can go up to 6 minutes. I did a 5.5 myself. No bragging.
It's definitely a mentally challenging experience. That's why we do the breath work beforehand, so it'll make it easier for your body to adapt more quickly when you hit the water. Because when you hit the water, it's a very intense experience. You really just have to mentally commit to getting to that 1 minute mark, then the 2 minute mark, then the 3 minute mark. And as you go, it'll get a little bit easier because your body will start to go numb, you'll relax, you'll kind of know that you're okay, the breathing will kick in, and yeah, you'll get out, it'll decrease your core body temperature a few degrees, which is very powerful. Great for reducing inflammation, giving you a huge rush of endorphins when you get out, boosting your metabolism because your body has to burn all those calories.
So once I was done with the ice bath, I felt great. It was like any caffeine rush that you've ever felt, it's tops it. Like, I wanted to run through a wall. I was energized, I was ready to go. Now, contrast that to maybe 5 to 10 minutes later when I'm in the infrared sauna, and it is just insane come down and relaxation.
Yeah, the infrared sauna is really cool because it has all of the benefits of your traditional steam or dry rock sauna, but also a host of additional benefits. So what it's doing is it's heating you up pretty much from the inside out with infrared light. So it's near and far infrared light that penetrates very deep into your tissues. Great and relaxing for sore muscles, but it also boosts collagen production, which is really important for skin health. Accelerates your metabolism, which a lot of people are trying to do just to get healthier. And then you actually sweat out heavy metals. So it will release toxins that are locked into your tissues. And they've done studies where they actually test your sweat, and there's additional heavy metals that you're sweating out while you're in there. So it's pretty much the best type of sauna because you get all of the benefits of traditional ones plus added benefits above and beyond that.
These two therapies are coupled together for a reason. It's the combination of going cold to hot. But really, this helps with joint pain. It helps to increase circulation. If you have inflammation in your body, these two therapies are extremely beneficial.
If people want to find out more about Remedy Place, they can check us out on Instagram at Remedy Place or go to the website. We have a newsletter that comes out every month. It's like a one-stop shop for a holistic social wellness club. Yeah, the world needs more balance, so we intend to bring it to them.
Thanks again for watching The Adventures of V-Man. I really do appreciate all these views. Please hit that subscribe button, because my dad's not letting me stay out past 10 o'clock at night if you don't do it. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next video.